Boom, it's Simon Speaker here, your cleaning guide to cleaning business success. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification. We make videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Now, if you're new to the channel, be sure to listen to my old videos, watch my old videos. A lot of my videos are very value-packed and stack upon one another, and so we'll talk about some stuff today. Now, if you are someone that's been here, welcome back to the actual channel. I have another nice video today, another value packed video today. Now, if you would like, in the comment section, if you have any questions or just want to make a comment, feel free to comment in the comment section as well. Now, in the details of this video, you will see two links. My school community link, in which we talk about everything remote cleaning business, how to automate, scale, and start a remote cleaning business. Now, if you were looking to actually start your own remote cleaning business, right, you can still have a 9 to 5. Some people use it to pay school debt. Some people use it to put money into their children's college fund. Maybe you want to be able to take your family out once or twice a year. Or maybe you're looking to go full into entrepreneurship, right? Full into entrepreneurship. Feel free to book a free one-on-one consultation, and we will get you going with that. So once again, I want to say thank you for being here, and we will get into it today. I have a special topic. Oh man, I just realized I didn't even see that it was still up here. That's cool. How to position your cleaning business so clients choose you. I actually didn't realize. Usually you'll see my face first. Usually we'll go here, but you know what? We'll just start straight into here. So today I want to talk about something very important. How do you position your cleaning business so clients choose you, right? And I think this is a very important topic to talk about, because especially within the industry like the cleaning industry, an industry that is boring and not looked at as like a luxury or high value industry, I think you have to be able to position yourself to stand out, right? And sometimes if you don't position yourself to stand out, your client will just pick the next cheapest choice, right? Or their price shop and just pick whoever they can find. So it's very important that you sit here and actually make sure that you're positioning yourself so that clients choose you, and that you can actually still offer the price you want to offer and still have a client buy from you. So we're going to talk about three different points on how you can position yourself as a cleaning business. And if you stay to the end of this video, I do have 2 bonus tips I will be giving you guys at the end of this video. So let's get into it. If you was watching this video, you're probably already reading some of the information here. So we're going to start with number 1. Choose who you're for and who you're not. Position starts with clarity. Instead of saying we clean everything for everyone, you could say we specialize in busy professional. We help families with young kids. We focus on move-out cleans. We serve Airbnb hosts. When you speak to everyone, you connect with no one. This is very, very, very important. So a lot of times you have clients that maybe are looking for a certain type of cleaner, right? Maybe they're looking to do something within the luxury space. Or maybe you have an Airbnb host that is looking to get a cleaning, right? Or maybe you have a busy professional that's willing to pay the money, but they just want the service to be really good, right? They're looking for quality service. So how you position yourself and how you brand and market yourself is going to be very important. Because especially, for example, someone like busy professionals or Airbnb hosts, what they're going to be looking for is someone that is good in that niche. They really don't have time to sit here and try to survey the market, right? Or try to do a deep dive research on who they're looking for, especially if someone can stand out, right? So if you have maybe, let's say, a landing page that says Airbnb cleaning or short-term rental cleanings, right? Or maybe you have a landing page or some type of marketing material that says for busy professionals, it makes it a little bit easier for the actual client or your type of clientele to find you and use you, right? So what you want to do is pretty much talk about who are you servicing, right? Who are you looking to service, right? You don't want to be in a position where your marketing, your branding is very general, and then when someone or a certain client is looking for a certain type of cleaning industry, you do not stand out. And the point of this video is how do you position yourself so that clients choose you among your competitors, right? So we have that first point. You got to choose who you are for and who you're not for, right? We're not trying to clean for everybody, right? And it sounds good. And this is why I said watch my previous videos, because if you watch my previous video, I talk about this as well. We're not looking for every client. That is a recipe for disaster. We're not looking for every client. We're looking for the clients that are right for us. So the first thing you want to do is choose who you are for. Now, the second thing you want to do is specialize in something, right? So generalists compete on price, specialists charge more, and that is 100% correct. When you actually are a general cleaning company, you have to compete on price because there's so many different competitors. So you have to compete on price because you're gonna have to sit there to stay in the market. Especially going back to one of my previous videos I talked about, because the cleaning industry, a lot of times people pick up a broom, a mop, and some cleaning supplies, and they're ready to clean. And because they are doing it themselves, they are able to charge a certain price. And so with that being said, you don't want to be that general cleaning company, because if you're just like all other cleaning companies, how are you going to sit there and charge your price and pretty much validate or pretty much let the client know this is why you charge your price, right? Especially if you just seem to be, or you expose yourself or position yourself as every other cleaning company. Now, when you're in a position where you specialize in something, now it's different, right? If someone is looking for a move out cleaning and you charge a certain price, and it's because you specialize in this, they are more willing to pay, right? Some of my best clients, or some of my most highest paying clients, chose us not because we were general, but because we were able to show them that we specialize in these certain type of services. So for example, move out cleaning experts. A big one as well is eco-friendly. A lot of people love eco-friendly cleaning, right? And the thing about it is, a lot of cleaning services, they do like eco-friendly upsells, but it's not too many cleaning companies, probably a handful of cleaning companies that say they specialize in eco-friendly cleaning. And so when you specialize in eco-friendly cleaning, imagine being able to charge a top tier price, because you can let them know like, hey, this is what we do, this is what we specialize in. Yeah, if you're looking for us, if you're looking to use us, you're not looking for the best price, you're looking for someone that can get it done right. And if that's the case, so what tends to happen is you start to tend to attract your type of clientele. Clients that are willing to pay the price, not because they're not, price shopping and looking for a cheap price. They're looking for someone that can get the job done. So specializing in something is a very important way to be able to charge more and actually position yourself as the cleaning business that's right for your type of clientele. Now, the next point, the last point I want to go into, is sell the outcome, not the cleaning, right? And this is a very important thing. I talk to a lot of my students about this. As a cleaning company, right? And this is why I say I'm really passionate about this, because I want to teach cleaning companies that you can be professional with this type of industry. A lot of cleaners are just going to say, hey, we clean, hey, we clean, hey, we clean. That's general. Going back to generalists compete on price. But what you want to do as a cleaning company to stand out is not necessarily sell the service, but sell the feeling. Because if you can sell the feeling, they will always buy the service. If you can sell the feeling, they will always buy the service. They will always feel motivated to buy the service. You will pretty much create what I like to call a motivated buyer, right? Depending on, based on if you can allow them and let them understand the feeling and what they're trying to buy your service for. So what you want to do, once again, is sell the outcome, not the cleaning. So you want to sell the fact that you can buy them back their time, a sense of peace, less stress, right? A reset feeling, a clean home before the guests arrive when it comes to Airbnb. So, and I wanted to add this quote here. Instead of saying we dust, mop, and vacuum, you can say we give busy homeowners their weekends back. Now, even before I dive into that, let's look at it from a marketing standpoint, right? Anyone can say we dust, we mop, and we vacuum, right? And technically, no one can really sit there and say, like, you can say that you do a good job, but the only way someone would know that is if they buy from you. So it becomes a little hard to sit there and say, okay, how do we know they do a good job? Versus saying we give busy homeowners their weekend back. You don't really have to kind of check the validity of that statement. Like, it's straightforward, what you do, right? You are able to give these busy homeowners their weekends back. And so when someone is looking to buy your services, a lot of time it's more of a problem and a solution type based situation, right? You have maybe, let's say, a client that is looking to get their home clean. So it's not like they can't clean their own home. If we go to the underlying deeper feeling about that, what it probably is they may not have the time. Maybe they're too busy. All right. And so the surface level is, okay, we can dust, mop, and vacuum their home. But when you wanted to get into that deeper feeling, going back to selling the outcome, not the cleaning, right? Motivating them through their feelings, saying that we give you a weekend back, you are a lot more motivated when you hear someone say, hey, we can give you your time back, versus when they just say, hey, we can dust, mop, and vacuum. So when you want to position yourself as a cleaning company, especially if you want to position yourself as someone that's professional, that is everything, especially when it comes to marketing. For those that are going to do maybe Google PPC, or that are going to maybe do Facebook ads, you need to actually put an attention or a hook or something to grab your clients. This is how you grab your clients. You're going to waste a lot of money trying to say we dust, mop, and vacuum as a hook to grab clients, versus saying we give busy homeowners their weekend back. So right here, these are 3 ways to actually position yourself at the cleaning business so that your clients can choose you. Once again, I said in the end of this video, I will give you some bonus tips. So let's go into that. Perfect. Let's see. Boom. Bonus tip number 1. Speed is positioning. This is everything. And going back to my previous videos, I talk about this when I talk about ways to actually get clients on Google, and I mentioned Google LSA. Speed and positioning. This is very underrated. If someone calls 3 cleaning companies, one doesn't answer, one calls back tomorrow, and you respond in 3 minutes, who is going to win? You will win, right? Because speed is everything. I've learned throughout the time and throughout running this cleaning business myself, speed is everything. Business itself is speed, right? And so speed is positioning. When you're a cleaning company that responds fast, gets back to people fast, people will respect that, and people will be willing to work with you because they know they will get a fast response from you. Now, remote companies especially can dominate here because they are not on-site cleaning. So there's no excuse to not have a fast supply, because there's a couple of things. One, we're not actually doing the cleaning, which is simply the remote model, right? So you shouldn't be in a position where you're not picking up your phone. And even when it comes to scaling and automating your business and you can get a VA in there, there's no reason that you definitely can't pick up your phone, especially if your VA are taking the calls and picking up the calls, right? And so if you need to, let's even say you're getting a lot of calls, you can obviously put more virtual assistants in there to be able to handle that call volume. So speed is everything. And now we are going to go to bonus tip number 2. So there are 3 types of cleaning business. 3 types of cleaning businesses, excuse me. Let me highlight this. There are 3 types of cleaning businesses. One that's the cheapest, one that's average, and the position brand. You don't want to be the cheapest. You don't want to be average. You want to be the obvious choice for a specific type of client. And that is a big thing. You need to know what you want to be known for and what do you want to be good at. I think, and that's gonna off rip just that being, having an idea of what you want your cleaning business to be known for, or what you want to specialize in. From just off of that will allow you to position yourself away from an average cleaning company to cleaning companies, because they're so general that are have to be the cheapest to compete on price. So this is the next bonus tip that I want to talk about. Make sure that you are specifying what is your specialty, right? And once you find your specialty, that doesn't mean that you can't do other things, but once you find your specialty, this should be your entryway into the market. This is how you should lead yourself into the industry. And then from there, if you want, you can branch out to different things. But once you're known for that one thing, you can be known for that one thing, solidify your marketing or solidify technically your branding in that one thing, and from there you can kind of branch off. So with that being said, this is how to position yourself in your cleaning business so that clients will choose you. Once again, I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. We drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. If you haven't, please go watch the videos as well. If you are someone that's been keeping up, I want to say thank you as well for keeping up with the video. Please like the video as well. It does not cost anything to give me a thumbs up on this video. As for those that are new and for those that have been here for some time, and for everybody, make sure you watch the video. Don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to comment in the comment section as well. Below this video in the details section, 2 important links. My school community. Our community is actually growing. We are close to about 100 people within that community. So join the free community that we talk about everything remote cleaning business, on how to start, automate, and scale your remote cleaning business. As well, if you would like to start your own remote cleaning business, if you've been watching my videos and think that you want to kind of, it's time for you to take action, you want to maybe build a life for yourself that has a little bit of freedom or a little bit of flexibility, book a call with me. It's a free one-on-one consultation. Beyond that, thank you for being here and have a wonderful night.